It's because Sundowns are going to be aggressive, and that is why you have a Toure that comes into the team to attack. That's the theme. That's Horiso Mudau on the right-hand side. There's Mashego.
In yesterday's MTN 8 semi-final, and we are up and running here at the Moses Mabhida Stadium in Durban. Both of those matches were played right here at the Moses Mabhida Stadium, so yes, they are effectively away from home as the home team, as that one is flicked towards goal by Sihle Nduli. In this competition, effectively, none of their players have scored, and now Andre de Jong has found some space here, and he's put it across. Looked as though Rangers, of course, cup-tied for this particular match, having moved to Mamelodi Sundowns, so he'll have another shot at trying to make it in the nation's capital. Fawaz Basadine, lovely ball! Oh! This time, de Jong gets it on target.
With the pressure that Sundowns is going to try and exert on them.
It was a thumping challenge from Taba. They've moved the ball upfield so quickly. Here's Devon Titus! Stood up strong to Jody February. Titus looked to clip it over him. Now de Jong, still the pressure on. De Jong across goal! Mugela! Stellenbosch hit the front. 2-0 up on aggregate. And Sundowns have it all to do with the Moses Mabhida Stadium. Gets it on his stronger left, can't do anything with it. Now they're tearing forward. Devon Titus, Jaden Adams making tracks into the box. Titus looking to find him, and he does! Oh, the flag is up. He can't believe it. He thought he had timed it to perfection.
Definitely offside. You look at that quick. It's definitely offside.
But again, not quite sure whether that was a shot or an attempt to play in a teammate. Ribeiro. He takes it on. Oh, he's struck the uprights.
To punish you. Kill that ball. Good technique. Everything in it. Top class quality. Is the upright. Denies it. Excellent in terms of taking the set pieces, defensively very solid as well. That was a timeous tackle.
St. Stevens manages to keep it out. Danger not gone yet. That could be very crucial. Here's Modiba, works it onto his left. Oh! Stevens, brilliant. Sensational. Stellies are through to another cup final.